In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in out in Google Sheets. If your spreadsheet feels too tiny to read, or you need to fit a massive table onto one screen, these quick techniques will help you dial in the perfect view so you can work comfortably and efficiently. First, the simplest option is built right into Google Sheets, the Zoom menu in the toolbar. Look for the percentage drop-down near the top of the screen. Click it, then choose a higher number to make your text and cells larger, or a lower number to see more of your sheet at once. This is great when you want to focus on the data itself without altering the rest of the interface. Keep in mind, this setting only affects the grid and your data. It won't change the size of the menus, toolbars, or the browser tabs. It's also a personal view setting, so it doesn't change anything for other people viewing the same file. If you're editing and need to see formulas or small text more clearly, a quick bump up in the percentage can make a big difference. If you'd like everything on the page to scale, including the menus and toolbars, use your browser's zoom shortcuts. Hold the Control key or Command on a Mac and press the plus key to zoom in. Press the minus key to zoom out. Each tap steps you in or out, and you can press the keys repeatedly to reach the size you like. This approach is ideal when you want the entire interface to feel bigger or smaller, not just the cells. You can also use your mouse wheel to adjust zoom. Scroll up to zoom in and scroll down to zoom out. This gives you a quick, fine-grained way to land exactly where you want without diving into menus. When you're ready to return to a normal view instantly, press Ctrl plus 0. That snaps your browser zoom back to its default setting, so everything is perfectly reset. If your grid zoom in the Sheets toolbar was changed earlier, remember that it's separate from the browser zoom. You can click the percentage drop-down again and set it back to 100% for a true baseline. That's all it takes. Use the Sheet zoom to focus on your data, and use the browser zoom to scale the entire workspace. With these options, you can read small text clearly, scan large tables without endless scrolling, and keep your workflow comfortable on any screen. Thanks for watching, and enjoy a cleaner, more readable Google Sheets experience.